Do you have an irritating cough keeping you awake at night? Try out this very simple remedy using bay leaves. Take 5 fresh or dried bay leaves and cover them in a pan with 1 liter of water. Simmer for 15 minutes. Strain and then drink it hot with a little sweetener. If you wish, allow any remaining mixture to cool and drink it later in the day. Bay leaves contain powerful phenolic compounds that help to suppress coughs. This works by relaxing the respiratory pathways and helping you breathe easier. Bay leaves are also very useful for diabetic patients and for relieving stress and anxiety.